Hi, and welcome to Pearls Made Easy's video tutorial, Customizing Your Opt-in Form and Survey. From your account homepage, click Campaign Management in the left navigation column. Next, click on the Manage Surveys button. First, you will need to determine your survey settings, introductory text, and contact form information. Start by clicking on the Edit link next to the survey that corresponds with the name you gave your landing page content. In the next step, your survey key will already be named for you, unless you chose to create a new survey in the previous step. If that's the case, make sure to give the survey a descriptive name, as this will be the name you use to identify it in reporting. Set your maximum responses. 0 is unlimited. You will want to put a constraint if the prospect is opting in to win a prize, get a coupon code, attend a limited seating event, etc. Because we will be mailing a relocation buyer's kit in this example, I'm going to set the maximum responses to 1. Set the survey alert mode to send to alert emails or to do not send. The email will pull from the alert email setup in the campaign management step, unless otherwise specified in the following text box entitled Override Alert Email. Survey intro text allows you to place introductory text above your survey questions. If you have entered a number above 0 for maximum responses, you may enter text here to alert a returning prospect that they have already submitted the form as many times as allowed. Contact form intro text allows you to place introductory text above the contact or opt-in form. Here, you can set up the data fields you wish to collect, as well as which ones you want to be required. When finished, click Insert. Next, create your survey questions. Click on the Manage Questions link. I'm going to start by editing the survey's default question. First, create your question key. Similar to a survey key, this key can contain alphanumeric characters only with no spaces. Make sure to give the question key a descriptive name, as this will be the name you use to identify it in your alerts and reporting. When editing an existing question, the question key may not be changed. In this What You See is What You Get or WYSIWYG editor, you may enter the question text. This is not required, however. In the case of questions that only need a few checkboxes, you can leave this blank. I'm going to edit the default question. Underneath the WYSIWYG editor, select whether or not you wish the question to be required. Then decide if you wish the question format to be Select 1, using a radio button or drop-down list, Select Many, using checkboxes, or a typed response using a text box for a sentence, date, amount, or essay. You can then further customize how you want your response area to be displayed using its corresponding drop-down. Set up your question responses. For Select 1 and Select Many, you can enter your list of responses in the box provided. If you wish one option to be pre-selected, simply type Selected in parentheses next to that option. I'm going to leave these responses mostly as is and just make this one edit. You may also add an Allow Other Entry free-form text to your responses. Now, check Make This Question Visible and click Update. To add another question, click on the New Question button. First, name your question key. Next, enter your question text. Choose if you want to make answering this question required. Then select the response type. And enter response choices if necessary. When finished, put a check mark next to Make This Question Visible and click Create. I'm now going to add 2 more questions to my survey. The speed of this video will be increased for a few moments and will slow back down to normal for the next step. Once you've added all your questions, you can use the up and down links to change your question order. Now, if you'd like, you can add an automatic email response. To do this, click on the Return to Manage Surveys link. Then, click on Manage Auto Reply. You can customize your automatic email response here. For designers, HTML Access offers almost endless design possibilities. To preview your finished opt-in form and survey, click on the Create Manage Web Content button, and then click on the Preview link next to your landing page. Now your landing page has been populated with your introductory text, contact form information, and survey. Now you can click on the Save to Live Version button in the opaque editing panel at the top of the page. Then use the drop-down on the left to view your pages in the live version. Remember, any edits made in the draft version will not become live until you click the Save to Live Version button, so you can always make edits in the draft version without your edits affecting what your Pearl visitors see in the live version. With your web landing pages complete, you are now ready to watch our Configuring Your Domain Name for Landing Pages video tutorial.